Hi everyone, this is Ayur Ninave, and this video we are going to use SCP to copy our local files to our EC2 instance. So we are going to first connect to our instance. So the first command is sh -i this identity, our PEM file, and Ubuntu @ our IP address or public IP address which we have copied from here. And if you are getting this error which I was getting over here, so this is when we give the over access to our file. So just change it to chmod 600 and our file name, and then you will be connecting over here. And when I do ls, then these are the two files which we have uploaded in previous video using FileZilla. Now we are going to do the same by using scp. Now let's open another command prompt. So now we are going to run this command, which is scp -identity our PEM file, and we are going to load our friends.txt file to this instance. And here is a colon. So if there is a directory you want to in which you want to upload this file, then you can mention the directory after this colon. Let's just first try into directly in instance and hit enter. So as you can see, it is showing me 100%. Yeah, so now let's check our directory ls. What is saying? So it is disconnected. Let's just connect again. So it is now connected. Now type ls. As you can see, we have here friends.txt, and now we can also make the directory over here in our instance. So just write mkdir, just say sample and hit enter, and ls. As you can see, our directory is created now, named sample. So now we are going to copy the file in that directory. So the command will be same, scp -i and key, and this is the file which you are going to upload. And after colon, here we are going to give sample slash. So now let's hit the enter and let's check the code. So yeah, as you can see, it is successfully running. And now let's check it over there. To cd sample and let's do ls. As you can see, we have mapper file inside our sample folder. And now we are going to download the file which you have uploaded. So let's just first delete this friends.txt. So let's do ls. So now as you can see, there is no friends.txt file present over here now. And now we will download it from over here. So our friends.txt in home. So let's go to home. So now this is the code for downloading. So first is scp, and then we have -i for identity or PEM file, and then we have our EC2 instance public IP, and then the file which you want to download, and we want to download it in our current directory. So that's why we are giving here a dot. And now let's hit enter. So now as you can see, it is now downloaded. Let's do ls. So you can see our file is back here. Now let's try to download the directory, which is the samples directory. So when I write the same command over here, and when I write sample, so it will give me error. So as you can see, it is saying sample, not a regular file. So it is not a file, it is a directory. So now just you have to add a simple -r, which means recursive. It will recursive copy the files which is present in the directory and then copy it. So now let's hit enter, and now as you can see, we have our sample directory present in this EC2 folder. Now if you want to upload a directory, so let me first delete this directory in instance. So we will basically do this same. Over here we just delete the sample directory, and then while we are here, then we will write -r and our sample directory name, and that's all. And by this we will be uploading our sample directory to the sample folder to the EC2 directory, EC2 instance. And that's it, folks. Thank you for your time.